Inspirers, welcome back to another vlog. Today is going to be a very fun day. I am starting a new cycle from today, which is in the university itself, so it's not going to be very hectic as it's not in the hospital, so we don't have to travel a lot. And I also have a presentation today, so you guys are going to be joining me. Right now it is 6:15 and I've woken up. I have gotten my shower. I've completed a little bit of work. Now I'm going to go make breakfast and we'll be spending the whole day together. So let's go. So I'm finally ready to leave and I'm also done with all of my preparation. I prepared my presentation once again. I also did a little bit of studying. So now let's go to the university and attend our lectures for today. First is pathological obstetrics, where it's our first day and it is also our last cycle of the 6th year, which is the final cycle of the final year, and I'm so happy that everything is going to come to an end now. And then I have another lecture in which I'm going to present, so let's go. We had a break right now and I had come to the library because the teacher asked us to refer this specific book, and she said that we would get it in the library, but it is not. So now let's go ask the teacher if we can get a PDF of it, and we'll have to study from that, of course. So let's go continue with our lecture and I'll see you in a bit. I am finally done with my cycle. It was quite interesting. We are learning about the diseases or the pathologies that occur in pregnant women during childbirth or after childbirth. And now we have a little bit of break. So I've come outside the university. I'll eat a little bit and then I have to revise also for my presentation. Then we'll go for the next lecture.
And predictive method for the gene editing, because we saw in last few years the cases of the autoimmune gene diseases are
okay. For the development of the project, experimentation of the gene.
Finally done with all of the lectures for today, and now I'm just going to go see if I get something for dinner, and I'll head home and I'll see you there. Finally back home. I don't know why I'm looking like a homeless person. I just washed my hair today, but still they look like I haven't washed them since a while now. But now I'm going to go rest for a little while, but before that I'll freshen up, wash my face because it's so sunny outside and all the sweat and everything and also the dust. I am now all done with my rest, which I wanted to end in 15 minutes, but obviously it didn't because I fell asleep, and 1 hour later I'm here. And now let's go make dinner because I have a early dinner. Right now it is 5:30ish, and after that we'll sit and study because I have to study for tomorrow's cycle again, because we'll be having oral discussions and we need to answer for that. I am now done with revision for tomorrow, which is pathological obstetrics cycle, and now I need to do some self-studying, obviously, because that is a very crucial part of being a med student. And I am drained out of energy because I had lectures for the whole day, and also I'm not feeling very well. I'm having very severe stomach cramps. So a bribe for me is this cake. Let me know in the comments below if you too bribe yourself to do things that you don't like to do or you aren't motivated to do. Because this is one trick that I use to motivate myself to study. So let's get back to studying so that I can sleep early because I have to wake up again tomorrow. I'm now finally done with all of the work that I decided to complete today, and now I'm pretty tired, but I don't feel sleepy yet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to watch an episode of series that I'm watching and then just go sleep with a little bit of my nighttime routine, that is planning for tomorrow, writing my daily journal. I journal in the evening just before my bedtime, and I'll do a little bit of skincare. That will be it for today, and I think this is where I'll end this vlog. I hope that you've liked it, and if you do, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next week. Until then, bye bye and keep inspiring.